Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to access your Commbank account but couldn't figure out how? It's a common problem, especially for those new to online banking. In this video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps of adding your Commbank account and getting started with online banking. Imagine the convenience of checking your balance, transferring funds, or paying bills from the comfort of your own home. With Commbank's online banking platform, all of this is possible. But before you can dive in, you'll need to add your Commbank account. Step-by-step guide. Accessing the Commbank website. The first step is to visit the Commbank website. Open your web browser and search for Commbank or go directly to their website address. Logging in or creating an account. If you already have a Commbank online banking account, log in using your username and password. If you're new to Commbank online banking, you'll need to create an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process. Adding your Commbank account. Once you're logged in, look for the Add Account or Link Account option. This is usually found in the Accounts or Settings section. Choosing the account type, select the type of Commbank account you want to add. This could be a savings account, checking account, or credit card. Providing account details, you'll be asked to provide the necessary account details. This typically includes your account number, BSB code, and possibly other information. Verifying your identity. To ensure the security of your account, Commbank may require you to verify your identity. This could involve answering security questions or providing additional documentation. Confirming the addition. Once you've entered all the required information and verified your identity, review the details and confirm the addition of your Commbank account. Additional tips. Security best practices. Always prioritize security when adding your Commbank account. Use strong passwords, avoid sharing your login credentials, and be cautious of phishing attempts. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues during the process, refer to Commbank's online help resources or contact their customer support for assistance. Exploring online banking features. Once your Commbank account is successfully added, take some time to explore the various online banking features available. From bill payments to budgeting tools, there's a lot you can do. Adding your Commbank account to online banking is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance your financial management experience. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be able to access your account conveniently and securely. Have you added your Commbank account to online banking yet? If not, what are you waiting for? Give it a try and experience the convenience of managing your finances from anywhere. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.